Save each Excel worksheet to separate PDF file. So you have separate Excel sheet like pivot table, January, whatever the sheet you have it. So we will save this. For example, this sheet save as a separate PDF file for pivot table. So this whatever the sheet name you have, create a separate file and save as a PDF file. Whatever the name you have. So one thing. So let's see our folder. So here we have this is the macro file, this is the source file, source folder. So in the source folder we have our source data. If we open this source data, we have opened it here. So in the source file we have pivot table based on whatever the report you have. We have some sample thing here, January data, February, March, and monthly sales data. So we will create for this monthly sales this tab data in a separate PDF file. So to create one thing, you remember that you need to set your print area, so that how do you want to see in your PDF file, you need to set print area for each tab in the Excel sheet. For example, here if we show here our print area set like, so all the columns in the same page, but it may go to the rows may go to the second page, but all columns in the same file. Now we close this source file, and this is our macro file. So in the macro file, we open the macro, and in the macro file we need to give source folder path and output folder path, where actually we get the source. So to get the source folder path means that, so this is our source. In this source folder we have the file, the source file. So to get the folder path, select shift right click, copy as path, and paste here the cell C3. And output folder path means our PDF file will be saved in the output folder. So to get the folder path, do the same thing, select shift right click, copy as path, and paste in the cell C4. So if we check in the output folder, for example, we have right now our existing output here. You see all the individual PDF file is there. So if we open one file, so the sheet, the pivot table sheet name, the sheet will be separated and saved in a PDF file here. So we close it for the timing and we delete it, because we will generate it. Now come to the macro file, and you now hit run macro button. So our all sheets are separated and saved in our output folder. You can open anyone and check.